In Indian Railways, block-proving axle counters play a crucial role in ensuring safe train operations. There are primarily two types in use: the trackside axle counter and the onboard axle counter. The trackside system utilizes sensors placed at specific intervals along the track to detect the presence of trains. This method is highly reliable, as it continuously monitors the track occupancy and can quickly identify any discrepancies. On the other hand, the onboard axle counter operates directly from the train itself. It counts the axles as the train passes designated points, providing real-time data to the control center. This system enhances safety by minimizing the risk of human error and ensuring accurate train positioning. Both systems are designed to work seamlessly together, providing redundancy and improving overall operational efficiency. As railway engineers, understanding these systems is vital for maintaining the integrity of our rail network and ensuring passenger safety.